Hi, Pipeline team. Thank you for joining me in Projects and Milestones. Let's take a look at how to add a milestone to an existing project. From the timeline view, simply click the arrow and add milestone. We'll call this project closeout. It's referring the Johnson Kitchen Remodel already for us. Status, not started. Start date, let's choose October 26th. End date, we will choose October 30th. Usually milestones come with tasks, so from here we can add a task to our milestone. We will choose right around that same time. Owner is myself. You could give the tasked owner to somebody else and hit save. There are a few other ways to add a milestone to an existing project. We see here in the timeline view. From the list view, you would click into the project. In the project overview, you can click New Milestone. From the Kanban view, you can click into the project, click Edit, scroll down. Here's your milestones, and you can add a milestone from here. You can also add a milestone by clicking the milestone tabs and add new. Note that the project doesn't pop up automatically for you. You would need to manually add the project to the milestone. Thanks.